We're making pineapple escoviche, green bell pepper, decor, green bell pepper, white onion and purple onions, carrots, then you pour a little oil in the pot and start to saute your vegetables. So we got some red bell pepper, some green bell pepper, some purple onions, some white onions. We got some thyme, as we're making pineapple escoviche, Hawaiian escoviche. Add a little bit more spice. Yes, sir. Please do like and share if you enjoy watching the video, and leave a comment on stuff you'd like me to make, and do subscribe if you want to see future videos. And add some lemon to it. Some Hawaiian escoviche. Vinegar. I gotta add a little sugar.